Oh, hey girl, how's it going? Look what I have here. Ooh, exciting. And a hard drive. Wow. The WD Elements SE. Okay, yep. So I haven't had a hard drive. I've just been storing all of my videos on my computer. That's right. Let's have a. Do you want to have a look? Final videos. That's all my videos. Wow, look at all these gigabytes. So these bad boys are starting to add up. And I was kind of getting to the point where I was running out of storage. So went out, made a purchase. This was $139. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. And it stores up to 2 terabytes. Wow, that is very exciting. So now I don't have to store them all on my computer. Lovely. So let's do a little unboxing. Let's get into it. We'll plug it in and do some things. So this is a... Didn't really know what I was doing with this video. Just gonna do a nice quick one, nice unboxing. Because we're leaving tomorrow. We're going back up. We're going back up for the wedding. Wow, it's so exciting. So you know, no time to film a video, but there's time to open a new hard drive, and we can do that together. So get excited. Okay, here we go. Okay, we're getting past the first bit. Oh, I need an overhead camera to do like the cool unboxing things, you know. That was fun. That was very fun. Box, very cool. Okay. What else we got here? Here it is. Okay, let's crack into it. Oh my gosh, how am I gonna do this? How did the unboxing people on YouTube make it look like so nice and elegant? And I'm out here struggling to open a bit of plastic. Don't mind me. So there was a couple of options of hard drives. There's obviously this is HDD. Oh, there's an alarm going off. That's the the slower one, but cheaper. For the main purpose of this is like longer term storage, right? So not using it, not working off of it on my computer, just storing stuff on it, as opposed to like the SSD ones, the solid state SSD. That's the one, solid state drive. I think that's what they're called. So and they just seemed a bit too expensive, but would have been nice. But so there was a couple of options of these. There was there was a 4 terabyte. Oh my gosh, how does one get into this? Just catch me a hot second to... Okay, 4 terabytes, more expensive. There was a 2 terabyte, less expensive, and there was a 1 terabyte. I feel like one wasn't, quite big enough, because I hope this is enjoyable, because I'm really struggling. So there are tabs. Okay, wow, this is going great. This is here we go. What do we got? Woo! Look at this bad boy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let's get a little ASMR sort of like hear this. Wow, wasn't that great? Cool. Okay, what do we got? So that connection. Okay. It says WD Elements SE. Very cool. It looks quite nice, quite cool. Just it can sit there. Very cool, very cool. Okay, what else we got? Cable. Nice. Can we take this out? Oh yeah. Can we get like? Yeah, that sounded great. Nice. Cable. So we've got the thing that goes into here, and it goes to USB-A. So I could have paid an extra, I don't know, $30 or $40, and there was a Mac specific one, and it went to USB-C. But then I thought, why would I pay that much money when I've got just like so many of these bad boys lying around? little adapter. So let's just like, wow, connected. So that's it didn't really matter. So this was a cheaper one, and I thought, you know, we've got an adapter already. We can just use that. So it's gonna be great. So we're gonna be able to store some stuff. Let's do a little attachment sort of vibe. Let's get this going. Is this the right way? There's a big bit and a little bit. Okay. Can we hear it? Is it gonna sound good? Ready? Not really. Okay, so she's connected. That's very nice. Now, what else comes in the box? We've got instructions. Ah, yes, you plug it into your computer, as you can see here. We watched the Formula 1 practice this morning, practice 1 and 2, Imola. It was exciting, you know, there was people going off everywhere, you know, because they put the gravel traps closer to the track. People going off into the gravel. Max is not looking unstoppable. He's looking like he's, you know, struggling pretty much as everyone else. So very exciting. Who's going to get pole tomorrow? These are a lot of instructions. Do we need to read them? I do like instructions. I do like reading, but this seems a little bit much. Let's put that to the side. Okay, so let's plug it in. Let's just do some things. So I think there's a thing you got to do to be able to set this thing up. Step 1. Let's just plug her in and see what happens. I'm sort of excited. Okay, hold on. I'm trying to make it. Try not to, you know. How are we gonna do it that it looks nice? Flip that round. Okay, let's plug her in. She's connected. Oh, she's making a sound. Is there a fan inside of there? Oh my gosh, look at her. She's appeared. Hey girl. Oh, you're gold. You're stunning. You're very stunning. Now, I think I read something on the interweb, how to like do these things to connect to a Mac. You have to format them. Don't mind me, I'm just gonna wait 10 years for Chrome to open. Mac, that's me. That's her. That's her right there. Go. Okay. Step 1. Connect it. We've done that. Great, guys. Great work. Step 1. Go to the disk utility option. Okay. Disk utility. Excellent. We're there. Oh, look, she's appeared. Okay, that's great. We've done that. And select the disk. Okay, whatever. Choose the hard drive you want to format. Okay. Probably this bad boy. Free. 2 terabytes. Wow, it is what it says on the box. That's very good. That is nice. Cool. We've done that. Now click erase. Oh my gosh, I don't want to erase it. You will see a new dialog box appear. From here you will have to customize the format. Also set the new name. Oh, we've got to choose a name. What are we going to call him? Like WD. That's what's on the... Is that it? Like, we could call it something like that. Okay, select... Now click on the erase option from the disk utility. This thing, erase. Okay, I think we can chill. See, look, Windows file. Yeah, so we don't want that. We're not a Windows. Oh, I don't know. What are we gonna call it? WD. Like, what's a fun name? Weasley Derek. Wesley. I don't know. Okay, I'll think of that in a hot second. What do we want to choose? Nah, we don't want that. We do not want we want apps. I think that's what it is. APFS format. Apple, yeah, Apple. That's us. We're Apple girlies, aren't we? Yes, we are. Yes, we are. So we want that. I think just the regular one. then erase it. And then it will... Okay. I think it just seems... Oh, wow. We're getting married soon. These guys look like they're getting married. Wow, this is great. This is exciting. Cool. I think I'm just gonna do it. Should we just call it... surely we can name it later, right? Erase. So if you erase it, you permanently erase all the data stored on it. You cannot undo it, okay? The security options. Let's just double check. Things. How have I already used 160 megs? What's on it? Maybe these photos are already on it. Our wedding is already on it. Okay. Let's just do it. Erase. We're calling it. I'll just go Finlay 2 terabyte. That's a good idea. Because that really says what it is. We want apps. Do we want it encrypted? What are we encrypting? Are people gonna come steal my videos that I'm saving on there? They're pretty good, just like this one. We want that. Security options. I mean, my last video, popped off. Got over 500 views on me playing a game. I'm sure all of my subscribers are confused about what this channel is, but that's because I am as well. So, yeah. Let's just do it. Finlay 2 terabyte. We're in apps. This is old, I think. I think I read somewhere this is an older version. Do we want case... No. Hick the case sensitive. Erase. We did it. Oh my gosh. I'm free. It's unmounting. It's erasing. It's Okay. Let's hope I didn't erase my computer hard drive. Wouldn't that be funny if I selected the wrong thing? Oh, it's done. Details? Okay. It looks like I didn't erase my computer hard drive. Look at this. Boom. Boom. This is great. Are we done? Are we good to roll? Good to rumble? Let's have a look. Let's click on her. Hey girl, good to see you. Let's have a look. Get some info. Created, okay, 2 terabyte. It's in the apps. This is cool. This is great. Should we try? Now, apparently it's USB 3.0, which is fast enough to do things. Not super fast. I think I read, what's the box say? 5 gigabit per second. What is that? Should we have a little look? 5 gigabit a second to megabytes a second? Is this? No, not megabit. I want megabyte. 5 gigabits. So 600 megabytes per second. So technically, if it's perfect, which it won't be, if a video's like a couple of gigs, it should only take a couple of seconds. That's great. That seems pretty fast to me. Let's try it. Let's give it a go. You can go over here, and you can come down here. Final videos. What one should we put on first? Probably the latest one, right? Okay. I'm exhilarated. This is what I've been wanting my whole life, Do we just drag it? Okay, I didn't drag correctly. Can we? So this is 5 gigs. It's going. Oh yeah. It looks like it takes a... Oh, okay. She's going. She's already over a gig. Wow. This is exciting. I'm on the edge of my seat. Sorry if you're wanting a more entertaining video, but we're here. I don't know if I'll be posting anything next week. Maybe a quick update video. But that's all you're getting. You know, we're busy doing marriaging things and stuff like that. Okay, almost there. And boom. Like, pretty fast. I like it. I like it a lot. Now, should we like see? This is exhilarating. Like, okay, she's there. Should we make like we can make a folder. Let's go. Let's just call this one final vids. And can we put things in the folder? Yes, we can. This is great. This is stunning. I copied it. Yep, love it. Okay, well, lovely. Hope you enjoyed me with my new hard drive. Very fun, very cool. I'll let you know if it like fails and corrupts all of my videos, but yeah, I'm sure. Look, oh, 2 years of warranty. Okay, cool. Okay, hope you enjoyed, and maybe I'll see you in a couple of weeks, or maybe next week. I'll just put a little video up. I'll be like, hey, married now, exciting. But if not, then you know, see you in a couple of weeks. It'll be great. It'll be great. Okay. Bye.